Johnny Depp's lawsuit in the current case is such an amazing lesson on defamation and what you say about others online. I want to go over the law and what's behind this case so we can each learn something about how we should be interacting with others. So let's explain what defamation is. This is a legal principle and it's something that you can sue someone for. If someone does this to you, you can sue them and you can get damages. And there's cases of Brad Pitt and Angelina Jolie and J.K. Rowling and Keira Knightley and all these famous celebrities, not to mention thousands of businesses that have filed defamation lawsuits and got millions in damages. So let's talk about what defamation is so you do not get tied up in this. Defamation is a false statement that you put online or otherwise communicate and you know it's false or you were careless in knowing, sometimes called negligent, and that damages someone. Pretty much if you say something that's not true about someone and it harms them or causes them damage, as Johnny Depp is alleging in his case, you can sue for damages. Now in Johnny Depp's case, he says this has damaged him millions of dollars. Now I don't want you to think, oh, this means I can't say anything about anybody or any business. That's not true. You can say what you want about anybody because truth is always a defense to a defamation case. So if someone sues you for defamation, as long as you spoke the truth, you'll have a defense in that case and you'll be responsible for anything. Now the key there is truth and separating facts, opinions. They can't sue you for an opinion, but if you allege facts about someone that are not truthful, that you knew was not truthful, or you were negligent in finding out whether it should be or wasn't, you're going to be responsible for any damages. Now let's go over an example that all of us can relate to. Let's say you're a customer of a business that provided terrible service to you. And you're feeling like, man, I kind of want to say something about this. I want to protect other people from using this crappy company that I just used. Your first instinct might be, let me go leave a negative review. Let me go put this all over my social media and tell everyone how terrible of a company this was. And that might make you feel good for a little bit, but you better be 100% truthful about that information. There are businesses that sue customers that had a bad experience and they embellish the facts and make it sound worse than it really was or overstate things that happened. They might have had a truly terrible experience, but they kind of get angry and they kind of go overboard in their comments in the negative review. So be careful about leaving negative reviews and spreading negative information about businesses or even people in your life. Words have power. What you put online can really have an effect on someone. Now, even if it's truthful, you could still find yourself in a lawsuit. And is that really a win at the end of the day? Now here's my advice. What if you have a negative experience with a business? What do you do about it? It might make you feel good to vent about it online, on your social media, or on a review for the company. Is that really going to make you feel better? Is that really going to resolve the issue? My advice would be go to the business directly, deal with them directly, let them know of your frustration, and see if they'll take care of it. And for the rest of it, let's just let karma solve it.